Alright guys, this is without a doubt one of our best selling in-wall speakers, so I wanted to make a separate video showing you how to install this in the wall. This is the Klipsch PRO-16rw. It's a two-piece design. Comes out like that. Makes installation a breeze. Has a rotatable horn to directionally point your audio towards your target seating area, which is really great. Has that ceramic metallic woofer and the titanium dome tweeter that Klipsch is so well known for. This process that I'm about to show you applies to really any in-wall speaker. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you aren't one of our subscribers already, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Alright, so in this situation you can see we've already marked out exactly where the speaker is going to go. This may seem a little confusing to you guys, but right here is where we want the bottom of the speaker because we've measured out the customer's seating and we want the surround speaker right at his ear, but we don't want it blocked by the seating either. Right here is where we want the edge of the speaker to line up so that it lines up with the other side of the wall. So this is a cutout template that comes with the speaker. This is where we're going to start. We're going to take this, put it on the wall, and we are going to use a level. Make sure that it's level with earth. And you're going to trace it out. Once you trace out your template, then you're going to cut it. You always want to check for studs in the wall. We already did this prior to starting, but you can pick up a stud finder like this one online or at any local hardware store and it'll tell you where your studs are. See, like the studs here, and the next one we know is over here. So we're clear in this wall. The customer also assisted with showing us exactly where the pre-wiring was done. But now you can grab a sheetrock saw like this one or an automatic one. I prefer manual actually, just because you feel what's in the wall. You never know what's behind these walls. You could have plumbing, electrical, and so on, and you don't want to mess it up. So you're just going to take your sheetrock knife and cut out your hole. Alright, take your sheetrock out. You don't want to really leave it in there. It's just going to reverberate and cause problems. Here's our speaker wire. We're going to go ahead and strip this guy down. This is just 16-2 wire. So you're going to take the shielding off like this. And then you're trying to get to your center conductor. So take your red and your black shielding off like that. Twist them together. Make sure it goes into the terminal solid. Now this speaker is without a doubt the easiest to install. This two-piece design that they started doing is just genius. Take the back bracket like this, pop it into the wall. Boom. And then they even make it easier. You're going to take the speaker and you can literally hang it on the wall like this. This is how they advertise it, at least. You don't have to hang it on here like that, but it does make things very easy. You just take your speakers and your speaker wires, hook it up, and obviously you could hold this in your hand, but it is pretty nifty. Take the speaker, spin it around like that, and now it's really just resting on the sheetrock with gravity, and you want it to clamp on so that when that woofer's bouncing back and forth, it's on there nice and solid. So before I do that, again, take my level, and I'm going to make sure that it's perfect, and then screw it in. You should be able to see in this video how it's literally pulling that plastic to the sheetrock frontwards and backwards, like kind of compressing it together. So you got to be careful. You can actually break that toggle off and then you're screwed. So as you get down to the end, just slow and easy. And see, what's nice with this speaker is how you can rotate that horn. In this situation, the customer is going to be sitting right here, so it's perfect. But in this situation behind me, we're going to be able to directionally point that audio where we need it to go. Can you throw me one of the grills? Another really cool thing with these speakers is all the Pro speakers is they come with a paint grill, which is nice because say you don't have all the planning in place that this customer did, I can come and do this whole install, throw the paint grill over the top of it, and just spray the wall down with the speaker in place. These grills are also paintable. You can see this customer did paint the grill to where it looks great, just blends right in with the wall. And these are magnetic. You get a really nice clean finish. And again, one more time, let's use our level. Perfect. Well, that concludes the installation video of how to install the PRO-16rw or any in-wall speaker for that fact. If you guys would like us to help you with your installation, or if you would like to purchase any products, make sure to give us a call, shoot us an email, show your support. Until next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.